This is a very beautiful spot down here. You can look over the water and you can see the entire reservoir pretty much. Show you guys, I love my RAV4 Hybrid. I want to show you, I reset my gas mileage before I started driving, and right now my gas mileage, I hope you guys can see that, it's at 63.7 miles to a gallon. So when you drive 25 miles an hour, you're able to get extremely good gas mileage in these cars. That's amazing. This is a giant SUV and it's still able to get very good gas mileage. Even on the highway, I can get 38 miles to a gallon usually, so that is incredible. And I truly appreciate Toyota for building these. I don't know why people don't like them. I love mine. There's nothing better than driving a really nice, reliable car with plenty of power to do whatever you need it to do. All-wheel drive, and you still get really good gas mileage. It's one of the greatest things ever. I'm so grateful that I was able to afford one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll come out and I'll get a good view of all of the water and everything. So the video's not over yet. I'll also show you my car too. It alerted me because my window's slightly open. Thank you, Toyota. Here's my beautiful car that I was driving through that, and it's a little bit dirty, but it still looks very, very, very nice. So that's my car that gets the great gas mileage, and that's the reservoir. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.